Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best deals for next week at Walgreens. In my opinion, I'm sure there are lots of other deals that we can do as well that are very good deals, but I think these are all really great deals. For the week of the 17th through the 23rd, there's also another large fetch bonus going on with Unilever products. So I'm going to show you a couple scenarios incorporating that bonus. So let's talk about the deals. First, we're going to talk about the coupons really quick. So if you are new to couponing, there are not inserts coming out for major holidays or during major holidays. So Easter is one of them. So the 17th, there are no inserts at all. So you can take a break from purchasing inserts, or if you would like, you can still order inserts from previous weeks if you are missing some coupons. And there are links down below in the description box if you would like to order some. But there's no coupons for Easter weekend. So the first deal I have for you is part of the buy three, get back a $5 register reward. And this time it includes Tampax or Always items. So we're going to grab two of the Tampax or Always. I just put Tampax. And they are two for $11. And then we're going to pick up a Crest toothpaste for $4. Now, if they're including toothbrushes, I would do that instead. But we're going to get a 2 off of 2 Tampax or Always digital coupon, and then we're going to use the $1 off Crest digital coupon as well. That's going to bring our total down to $12. You can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you will get back a $5 register reward, making the 3 items just $7 or $2.33 a piece. Now that's way more than we would ever pay for regular toothpaste, but it's more for making that the cost for Tampax. So that's kind of like an exchange for that, if you know what I mean. So $2.33 for a box of tampons I think is a decent deal, especially if you can pay in Walgreens cash to get that deal as well. So next we have a deal on the Quilted Northern. I don't think I've ever mentioned Quilted Northern. And it's for Quilted Northern or Angel Soft. Those are my least favorite toilet paper, so I never get them. But I thought I would mention this deal because it might be someone's, preferred brand. So these are on a promotion where you buy 3, you get back a $3 register reward. So you're going to buy 3 of these at $5.29 a piece. So when I searched my app for digital coupons for Quilted Northern, these are the coupons that come up, and we could use all 3 of them. Now, if this is incorrect, I do apologize because I'm not familiar with Quilted Northern. So I have a $1.50 off digital coupon, a $1 off digital coupon, and a 50 cents off digital coupon. That would bring our total down to $12.87. We would get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.87 for 3 packages, or about $3.29 a piece. And I think 3 packages of paper products for under $10 is a very decent deal. Plus, you can use Walgreens cash to help lower your out-of-pocket for this, if this is something that you really like to get. So next I have another buy 3, get back a $5 register reward deal for you. Now, when I am trying to come up with deals, I go and I just look at my digital coupons to see what I have, because I typically find coupons in there that I never realized I had. One of them being a $7 off of 1 only for you Gillette digital coupon. So I thought, let's see if I can incorporate that into a deal, because that's insane. And sure enough, the Gillette are part of a promotion where you buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Now, if you're ever struggling to find something to put into a scenario, just go through and search your digital coupons. So this 7 off of 1 digital coupon includes the Gillette Pro Glide and the Pro Glide Chill. So we're going to buy one of the Gillette Pro Glide razors at $11.99. That's the price right now online. It might drop down to $10 for the promotion next week. So then we're going to grab 2 of the Crest products at $4 a piece. Then we're going to use that 7 off of 1 digital coupon, and $1 off of one digital coupon for the Crest. Then we are going to pay $11.99. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making our cost just $6.99 for all three items, or $2.33 a piece. Now, $2.33 is good for the razor, not for the toothpaste, but for $7 for those three products, I think is a very good deal, and you can also use Walgreens cash to pay for this as well. Next, we have Dove Bath Care. Now, in the ad, it says select Dove Bath Care, and 9 times out of 10 when we have that deal, it also includes Dove hand soap. So if Dove hand soap is your thing, definitely keep an eye out for that. I know I'm going to. Now, we are also getting a 7 off 2 Dove digital coupon. Of course, that won't apply to the hand soap, but it would apply to the body wash. So the Dove is buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and the body wash is going to be on sale for $7. So we're going to pick up 2 of the body wash. It might also include the bar soap, and that's going to equal out to $14. We're going to use that 7 off 2 digital coupon, and that will bring our total down to $7. We'll get back a $4 register reward, making the final cost for 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 a piece. Now, this will count towards that Unilever reward that is becoming available on the 17th, and we can use Walgreens cash. Now, we just had this promotion a few weeks ago, and it's back again, where you spend $30 on select Unilever products, you will get back 10,000 points or $10. And you can, of course, stack that with the sales at Walgreens. So the promotion is back again. We did have it a few weeks ago. With this promotion, you won't see it in your app until you upload your receipt. I don't know why they do that, but then it will show your reward and tracking towards that reward if you don't get the full $30 worth of items. Now, sometimes it'll track before coupons. Unfortunately, sometimes it tracks after coupons, and we have no way of knowing how it's going to track for each individual person. And even though it's advertised for everyone, I have had people that have commented on my videos that they've uploaded their receipts and there was no reward for them. Now, we have had this promotion happen probably 5 or 6 times, and that's never happened to me. So I would say that maybe it's on select accounts, but I've only had a very few people, or a very few handful of people, say that in my comments on my videos. So I really hope that that's not the case. So next we have the Dollar Shave Club. It is on promotion where you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab one of the razor refills for $9.99. We're going to grab the 6-blade one. Then we're going to grab a shave cream for $6.99. Then we have a $3 off digital coupon that we can use for the refill. I don't have any coupons for the shave cream, but that's going to bring our total down to $13.98. We will get back $4 in Walgreens cash. Now, at the time of making this video, I have on my Fetch Rewards account 4,000 points back, or $4, when you purchase a Dollar Shave Club razor refill. So we're going to put this on here. It does say that it expires in 3 days, and that should be around Tuesday. So then you'll get back $4 from that. That would make your final cost for these 2 items just $5.98, and I think that's an incredible price, especially for refills. We don't get refills a lot on good deals. We normally just get the razors with the handles. Plus, Dollar Shave Club is a Unilever brand. Last time we had this promotion a few weeks ago, Dollar Shave Club was included, so fingers crossed that is included again, and that 4,000 points back for the razor refills is still there, because that would make for such an amazing price. So now we're going to talk about some scenarios for spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and we're focusing on that promotion. Now, I will have down in the description box a couple other scenarios that you can do that aren't focused on Unilever products in that promotion. So we're going to grab 2 of the Dove body wash. Then we're going to grab a razor refill for the Dollar Shave Club and a Dollar Shave Club shaving cream. Then we're going to use that 7 off of 2 digital coupon for the Dove and that $3 off digital coupon for the Dollar Shave Club refill. Then that's going to bring our total down to $20.98. We will get back $5 in Walgreens cash for our booster, $4 in Walgreens cash for the Dollar Shave Club, and a $4 register reward for the Dove. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards and we'll get 10,000 points back, or $10 for buying Unilever products, plus 4,000 points for that Dollar Shave Club refill. That's going to bring our total to free and a $6.02 moneymaker. So fingers crossed that that razor refill stays on Fetch Rewards. Now, if it doesn't per se because of the new promotion starting, then it would still be free and a $2.02 moneymaker, which still is an incredible deal. You also may have better digital coupons than what I have shown here for you, because I used my good digital coupons a few weeks ago on Dollar Shave Club. So just check your digital coupons. You may have some better coupons. So next we have another spend 20, get 5 scenario for you. Now this includes the spend 20, get back $5 and a register reward for hair care, and it includes Dove Men hair care, and I have really good rebates or bonuses on Fetch for that as well. And I was going to do that this week, but I decided to pass on it, and I have no idea why, because it's such a good deal. So anyways, we're going to grab 2 of the Dove body wash at $7. We're going to grab 3 of the Dove men's hair care at $6.79 a piece. Now that is buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them would be $6.79 or $13.58. And then the third one would be for $3.40. Then we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Hold Blends at $3.99 a piece. Then we're going to use the 7 off 2 Dove digital coupon. We're also going to use the 5 off 3 Dove hair care digital coupon. And then the only paper coupon that we are using in this whole video is the 4 off 2 Hold Blends from the 410 Save insert. That's going to bring our total down to $22.96. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. You're going to get a $4 register reward for the Dove body wash and a $5 register reward, or that $5 store coupon for the hair care. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you'll get back the 10,000 points or $10 for the Unilever promotion. Then I also have on my Fetch Rewards 1,200 points or $1.20 for each men's hair care product, and 1,000 points as well for each men's hair care product. So that's an additional 6,600 points back on Fetch Rewards if it hangs around for the new promotion. You know what I mean? I'm just afraid it's not going to, because with another Unilever promotion popping up that's really large, that the other ones would go away. So if those do stick around, then that would make our cost for these items all free and a $7.64 moneymaker, which is insane. Now, I do want to mention that the Dove products that I have in this promotion equal out to $30.98, and the whole blends bring it to well above the $30 mark. So that's not a Unilever brand, but if you do this in store and it is 2 for $7, then your cost would be a little bit cheaper. So I did want to mention that. So that is really all I have for today's video. Go ahead and look down in the description box for the Google Doc. There will be a few more spend 20, get back $5 scenarios in that Google Doc for you. And that is all, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great holiday weekend. Bye, guys.